It's time to assemble the SawStop Jobsite Pro. Hi, I'm Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember to ring the bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Also, you can go on over to our website, thesmartwoodshop.com. There'll be a link in the description of this video down below. And there you can purchase yourself a set of plans to build one of my workbenches or a smart wood shop for yourself. When you purchase the plans, you'll get an email with a link immediately so you can download the plans and have them right now and get to work. Also at thesmartwoodshop.com, you'll find my store where I have some Amazon links. If you use those links, Amazon will share a little bit with us without charging you any extra, and that helps support this channel so I can make these videos. All right, let's get to work. SawStop's instructions are crystal clear. They show you exactly in 9 steps how to unbox it and pull the shipping pin. So all I had to do was bolt on the 2 wheels. So there was a long bolt, a nut, a lock nut, and a washer. Slip them on, tighten them up on both sides. And then the handles are right and left, and there were 2 bolts and 2 nuts for each side, and they're labeled left and right. It's stamped in them so you'll know which way to go. And then the final thing was to pull the shipping pin. This is something you throw away, and they show you in a couple of windows here to shift the motor itself over to 45 degrees and then go around the back and pull this. And then again, this can be disposed of after that. This is a new saw, so I'm not doing a review. I haven't had time to use it yet. Now, I have a lot of experience with the predecessor, the legacy saw. What I'm going to do is spend a little time doing a project or 2 and really get the feel of this saw. But I do want to point out some of the differences, and let's take a look at it together. Like with all tools from SawStop, they have a fantastic manual. Not only is it made of really good material, so it's going to hold up in the shop for a long time, but it's got good photos and good diagrams, and it's very clear. It's easy to understand. So if you've got a question, you can go right to the table of contents, clearly figure out what you need to go to, and go right to it. So that is indispensable. The flip-up stand is just like the other one, very easy to operate. Just locks and you roll it where you need to get. Then you push on that and it flips up. Everything stores on board, so the fence right where you need it, and it drops on and locks down. This is one of the things that's changed and I do not have any experience with, so it'll be interesting. They have a high-low fence, and so if you look at this lever here, if you pop up on it, this piece comes off here, and this is their low fence designed to work with thinner materials. It just clamps or grabs right in a notch there and then clamps on the front. The low fence is 1 inch wide, so you have to remember to subtract the 1 inch from your mark. So if I set this to 10, then it's going to be cutting actually 9 inches. The blade guard now has the ability to attach a vacuum hose to the top, which helps keep your job site a lot cleaner. I have one on the legacy saw, but that was an option at that time. Blade guard, just like the original, has the anti-kickback paws and the riving knife built in. But here's where they've added the ability to plug in a vacuum hose. Another change they made was to deepen the table a little bit. The Legacy saw is 22 3/4, and the Pro saw is 24 5/8. We've assembled it and we've gone over a few of the changes. Let's see how it cuts. I set it for 1 3/4 and then cut 1 3/4. I got a couple of projects here that will require a table saw. It'll give me a good opportunity to put the new SawStop Jobsite Pro through its paces. After I do that, then I'll come back and make another video a little more detailed after I've had this time with it, and then I will also compare it to the Legacy saw, which I have a lot of experience with. If you like these tool review videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember to ring the bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Stay safe and have a great day.